Hello everyone, welcome to English Grammar and Literature World. Today we will be talking about a new topic, that is complete one word substitution, and this video is related to any competitive exams. It would be SSC related like CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO, Steno, as well as state competitive exams. And this video will be the first part. So let's start today's class. Look at the first one. So unsure about God's existence. So what is the one word substitution? Someone who is unsure about God's existence. So right answer is option B, agnostic. Agnostic. So agnostic means someone who is not sure whether God exists or not. Okay. So look at the other options. Option A, atheist. Someone who does not believe God is called atheist. Okay. Someone who does not believe in God, that is atheist. Theist. Theist means believes in gods. Okay. Theist means believes in God. And fanatic. So fanatic means someone with extreme and unreasonable enthusiasm or zeal for something. That is called fanatic person. Okay, so right answer is option B, agnostic. Next, one who is unable to pay his debts. So right answer is option D, bankrupt. Bankrupt means someone who is without money. Okay, without money. So option D is the right one word substitution of one who is unable to pay his debts, that is bankrupt. Look at the other options. Option A, solvent means someone who able to pay debts. Okay, able to pay debts, that is solvent. Affluent means someone who has a lot of money. Okay, lavish, like Mukesh Ambani. Okay, lavish, or you can say rich personalities. And philanthropist, I think you know the answer. Philanthropist means someone who is very helpful, or yes, you can say generous, Gene, generous. I think you people got it. Next, selfless helper of others. Selfless helpers of others means option D, altruist. So altruist suggests someone who selflessly helps other without personal gain. Okay, without personal gain, that is altruist, or briefly we can say selfless helper of others. Look at the other options. Misogynist. So look, here is a miso and gynist. So misogynist suggests someone who hates women. Okay, someone who hates women, that is misogynist. Just you can say miso and gynist. Gynist means women, and miso means haters. Okay. Pessimist. Pessimist suggests someone who sees the negative side of life, or someone who always sees the negative side of everything, that is pessimist. An egoist personality means self-centered. Self-centered, or you can say focuses only for own interest. Okay, next, excessive religious enthusiasm. What is the right one word substitution? Excessive religious enthusiasm. Actually, the right answer is option D, that is pragmatist. The right answer is option B, fanatic. Sorry for wrong marking. The right answer is option B, that is fanatic. Excessive religious enthusiasm means fanatic. Fanatic means someone with extreme and unreasonable zeal or enthusiasm for something. That is fanatic. Realistic means someone who is very practical. Realistic means someone who is very practical, or you can say pragmatism, that is realist. Skeptic suggests someone with doubt accepted opinion. Okay, doubt accepted opinions. Okay, that is skeptic. And pragmatist suggests someone who is very realistic, or you can say someone who is very practical. That is pragmatist. So realist and pragmatist are synonyms. Next, works for pleasure only. What is the right one word substitution? So right answer is option D, that is amateur. So amateur means one who does a thing for pleasure without pay and not as a profession. Okay, so without pay or not as a profession, only for interest, that is called amateur. Look at the other options. So option A, novice, suggests someone who is new. Okay, someone who is new, or you can say beginner or new learner, that is novice. Expert, I think you know the answer, who is expert. And professional is also a very common term. Next, one who feeds on human flesh. This one is very, very important. 5-star questions. Okay, so one who feeds on human flesh, obviously option A, cannibal. So cannibal suggests one who feeds on human flesh. Okay, look at the other options. Option B, herbivorous. Herbs mean plant. Herbs means plant. So someone who eats only plant, that is called herbivorous. Or carnivorous means one who feeds on flesh. Okay, carnivorous suggests one who feeds flesh but not human flesh. Okay, that is carnivorous. And government. Okay, government suggests appreciation or appreciates for fine food. Okay, that is government. Fine food, government. Next, uses both hands equally. So what is called uses both hands equally? That is option A, ambidextrous. So ambidextrous suggests equally skilled with both hands. Equally skilled with both hands. Dexterous means someone skillful with only one hand, usually one. Okay, skillful with hands, usually one. That is dexterous. And clumsy means someone clumsy means awkward, or you can say unskilled. Inept means someone who is completely unskilled. Okay, completely unskilled. Next, one who is blindly devoted to an idea. So look, blindly devoted to an idea, that is option D, chauvinist. This is a very good term. So chauvinism or chauvinist suggests one who is blindly devoted to an idea. Cynic means, what is the meaning of cynic? Cynic believes people are motivated by selfishness, or someone who believes that people are motivated by self, that is cynic. And feminists suggest someone who supports women's rights and equality, that is feminist, or you can say one kind of idea, that is feminism. Next, epicure. So tell me the right meaning of epicure. So epicure suggests enjoys fine food. Enjoys fine food. Fine food. Okay. Next, destroys all government order. So actually, the right one word substitution of destroys all government order is option B, anarchist. Okay. So anarchist means one who is out to destroy all government peace and order. Someone who out to destroy all government peace and order. So this is called anarchist, but that person is called anarchist. So look at the other option, socialist. Socialist suggests someone who believes political and economical equality. Okay, that is socialist. And democrat means believes in democracy, someone who believes in democracy, that is called democrat. And autocrat means rule by one person. Okay, so rule by one person, autocrat. Next, a critical judge of any art and craft. So this one is very important. Suggest option B, that is connoisseur. So connoisseur means a critical judge of any art and craft. Okay. So demagogue suggests a leader who manipulates people by emotion, that is demagogue. And dilettante, yes, dilettante suggests dabbler. So dabbler suggests someone who has an interest about art. Okay, but that is totally unskilled. Okay. Egoist, someone who is a very self-centered, okay, self-lover, you can say that is egoist person, or you can say lover of oneself. Okay, so lover of oneself, egoist. Next, a person who has changed his faith. Tell me the right answer. A person who has changed his faith. So right answer is option C, apostate. So you have to very careful about the term apostate. So here is a apostle and apostate. The right answer should be apostate. Look at the other options. Convert. Convert means adopts a new faith. Adopts a new faith. That is convert. Apostle. So apostle suggests pioneer or strong supporter of a belief. And prophet. Prophet means a religious teacher. Okay, religious teacher, or you can say messenger, like Hazrat Muhammad. Okay. Next, a person living at the same time. So also you have to be very careful, because this one also very important. A person living at the same time is called contemporary. Okay. And cosmopolitan means cosmopolitan suggests a person who regards the whole world as his country. Okay. Immigrant suggests a person who leaves his country to settle in another country. Okay. And iconoclast suggests one who the breaker of images and tradition. Breaker of tradition. Breaker of traditions. That is It's called iconoclast. Next, one who leads on austere and simple life. So austere and simple life means ascetic. Ascetic. So option B is the right answer. Look at the other option. Hedonist means. So hedonist suggests someone who seeks pleasure as life's main goal. Okay. So pleasure as life's goal, that is hedonist. Chorbak darshan is related to hedonist. Cynic, I have already told who is called cynic. And libertine, yes, libertine suggests lives without moral restraint. Okay, without moral restraint. Moral restraint. Next, a girl, woman who flirts with men. So the right answer is option B is coquette. That is called coquette. So coquette is the right answer. Okay. Debonair means someone who is very charming. And effeminate suggests a man who is womanish in his habits. Okay. Womanish in his habits. That is effeminate. And epicure suggests a loves of fine foods. Next, a person who does not believe in God. I think this one is very, very important. Yes, also you know this answer. So right answer is atheist. Someone who does not believe in God, the right answer is atheist. Option C. And theist means someone who believes in gods. Agonistic means unsure about gods. And polytheist, yes. Tell me the right answer of polytheist. Look, poly means many and theist means believes. So the meaning of the term polytheist suggests believes in many gods. Believes in many gods. Okay, so this is the last one. One who is a center of attraction. So look at the options. Option A, handpicked. Option B, connoisseur. Option C, cynosure. Or option D, egoist. So what is the right answer? You people tell me in the comment section. Okay, so this is the questions of the day and you have to tell me. So what is the right answer? So that's all for today. So this is the first part and it will be very fruitful for your all exams. So keep reading, keep writing and keep watching English Grammar and Literature World.